Good day everyone, welcome to Senior Pablo TV. And for today's tutorial video, we will be discussing the circles and its part. So this is different from the pre-calculus lesson that we're going to draw a circle in a rectangular coordinate system. In this series of videos, we will be discussing the theorem on circles and the arcs and the angles of circles. Let's start by the definition of circle. A circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from the given point called the center. Let's have this first illustration. Let's say this is our circle. So this is a set of all points. These are infinite many points. A container of infinite many points, that is our circle. And these infinite many points is equidistant from our center. So if I were going to connect one point to the center, all the points are equidistant. So this is our center. Okay. You will also encounter the word radius. Its plural form is radii. It is a segment from the center to a point on a circle. So from the center to a point on a circle, that is what we call the radius. And of course, we have here the diameter. Diameter is twice the radius. That is the diameter. So a radius plus another radius, that is what we call the diameter. Definition of diameter: a point on a circle to another point on a circle that passes through the center. And we have the concentric. Two or more circles that lie in the same plane with the same center. So we have here an illustration number 2, a circle with another circle inside, another circle, and a circle. So we have here the radius of the smallest circle, radius of the second to the smallest, and to the third circle, and the biggest circle. This illustration shows the concentric. And we also have the chord. Okay. A chord is a segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So let's say this is our center. So a chord is a segment. So we have endpoints, two endpoints. Okay, that one. And let us name it A and B. How to name a chord? So since this is a segment, so we're going to use the segment sign or segment symbol, then write A, B. Another one, let's say this segment, let us name it KL. So we have segment KL. And it can also be passes through the center. Let's say XY. So segment XY. And if it passes through the center, that is our diameter. Therefore, a diameter is the longest chord in a circle. You will also encounter the word secant. It is a line that intersects the circle in 2 points. So line, that means it passes through the center. It passes through the circle. So, let us name it as C and D. So it is a line. So in naming a secant, we have a line, a symbol of a line, then write the point C, D. Or it can also be, let's say this is E. Then we have F here, so we can name that as line or secant EF. Again, chord is a segment and secant it is a line, so we need to use the symbol or the sign for the secant. And we have the tangent. It is a line which is in the same plane as the circle and intersect the circle at one and only one point. That is what we call the point of tangency. So a line that touches the circle at exactly one point. So let's say this is our tangent. So let's say this is A, so our point of tangency is point A. It can also be in this part. A line. So point B. So in naming a tangent, so we can name that as, if we have another point here, let's say C, so we have tangent, a line, BC. So BC. So that is the circle and its part. To better understand our discussion, let's have these exercises. Direction is, point A is the center of the circle on the right. So we have our illustration here. So first let us study. So we have here the center, which is A, and we have a tangent, and we have a radius, and of course chords and seconds. Now let us try the following questions, number 1 to 10. Number 1, name the circle. In naming a circle, write the symbol for circle. That is a circle. Then we name a circle through its center, which is a point A. So circle A. Again, circle A. Name a secant containing a diameter. So we have, name a secant containing a diameter. So we have ZU. ZU. So don't forget our symbol for ZU. Or it can be UZ. It's okay. ZU or UZ. Next, name the point of tangency. So we have a tangent here, a point that touches the circle at exactly one point. We have a point U. So capital letter U. Sir, do I need to write point U? No, it's okay. It's okay to write it in a big letter. Point U. True or false? AT or segment AT is a radius. So where is AT? AT. Is it a radius? So we define a radius, a point on a circle to the center. True. Next, number 5. True or false? Segment ZU is equal to twice ZA. Where is ZU? So ZU twice ZA. So ZA is a radius plus another radius. Yes, it is true. True or false? Segment AT is equal to segment BX. AT is equal to BX. That is false. Why false? AT or segment AT is a radius. while we don't have a measurement for bx. Number 7, true or false? Segment SU is equal to segment RX. Segment SU is equal to segment RX. Are they equal? False. Because they are not the diameter, or we don't have a given measurement for RX and segment SU. And number 8, true or false? Segment BU is a chord. Segment BU. So BU, that is false. Again, a chord is a point on a circle to another point on a circle. But BU, we have a point inside the circle. If segment AW is equal to 18.25, then ZU is equal to, where is AW? AW is a radius. How about ZU? ZU is a diameter. So twice a radius is equal to diameter. So 18.25 plus 18.25, that is 36.5. So we have 36.5. We have a measurement, so 36.5, you can write units. Because we don't have a given unit. If AB, or segment AB plus segment BZ, segment AB plus segment BZ is equal to 12.5, find SW. Going to find SW. We know that if we're going to add segment AB plus segment BZ, that is equal to our radius. And the diameter is twice the radius. So 12.5 plus 12.5, we have 25 units. So that's the application of, or that's on how to answer the different problems in circles and its part. Thank you for watching Senior Pablo TV.